Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. The MG4 electric vehicle is getting an even more practical SUV sibling. MG has revealed the S5 which, like the MG4 electric hatch, rides on the brand's modular scalable platform, also known as Nebula, and features standard rear-wheel drive and 5-link independent rear suspension. That's in contrast with the current front-wheel drive ZSEV, which shares its platform with the combustion-powered ZS and ZST SUVs. We understand the S5 will come to Australia as a replacement for the current ZSEV during the first half of 2025. Prototypes have already been spied in local testing. The S5 measures 4,476 mm long, 1,849 mm wide and 1,621 mm tall on a 2,730 mm wheelbase, making it slightly larger than the existing ZSEV. Car News China reports the ES5, which first broke cover in a Chinese government filing in July, will offer a choice of 49.1 kWh or 62.2 kWh lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries sourced from CATL. Depending on the variant, range on the more lenient CLTC cycle is either 425 km, 515 km or 525 km. The S5 features a single rear-mounted electric motor producing 125 kilowatts of power and 250 Nm of torque, good for a 0 to 100 km/h time of 8.0 seconds. It's unclear whether more powerful options will also be available as they are in the MG4. Curb weight tops out at 1740 kg. Images shared on Chinese media, including on Autohome, reveal an interior with a minimalist design language much like the MG4. There are some key differences between this SUV and its hatch sibling, however. The touchscreen remains freestanding and horizontally oriented, but it's larger, while the digital instrument cluster is more neatly integrated into the dashboard. There's no longer a small center console jutting out from the center stack, with the S5 instead featuring a split-level console with a shelf just above floor level and a wireless charging pad and cup holders on the higher level. There's a clear familial resemblance between the ES5 and the MG4, with a similarly styled front bumper, aggressively angled headlights, and a similarly shaped rear lighting assembly. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.